Hi guys, good morning. I'm in the studio today with Wouter. Will you say hi?
Hi guys!
Hi guys, we're happy you're joining us today. I'm gonna do a triptych and it's gonna be a color split like I did the other day. It was for a part black and a part white. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't think I'm gonna do it on the same level, but this part a little less black and here more black. Whatever, I don't know, let's see how this will turn out. Okay, so what I do first is I start with the white. I'm gonna do that on top. This one a bit more. Okay, I'm gonna start with the winter blue. Then some phthalo green, so that makes a pretty turquoise together. Primary blue. Some gold. Yeah, maybe just a touch of violet in there. Violet red. I would like that. Make it a bit warmer. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the white and the black around it first. Let me torch it. Okay, so I'm very curious what's gonna happen here, because first I need to decide how I'm gonna blow the colors over. Okay, so that's interesting already. Okay, let me blow this out. Okay, super cool. This one is so cool. Okay, let me torch it. Okay, yeah, I like this one so much because you have here the white. I feel like that's a bit missing here. Let me take it a bit apart. Let's see this one. So cool. They're so different. So this is how I left it. Look how gorgeous. This is my composition as well. You saw it from the other side. It's amazing. I really like these split colors. Look at these cells here. This is my favorite, this one. Whoop, new triptych, check. New split color, check. Guys, let me know what you think about this one. Are you trying this as well? And don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell. Like this video. I can go on, but you guys know it. Okay, I'll see you next time.